expect to be the best at it, right? If I'm gonna go half, I'm not even gonna start it. So I think that's a great point for the people to know. Now, the next point is very important because I think a lot of people, we get away from this. And this is where a lot of disconnect comes from and a lot of anxiety comes from. And that next point is, does it align with your core values? So we don't matter what the money output is, we never, ever, ever want to engage in anything that's going to take us away from our core values, whether your core values are integrity, legacy, whatever your core values are, you have to stick with them, because you don't want to be the person that sold out your, quote unquote, sold your soul to the devil for a short profit. So I think having things align with your core values is just so important. And for me, when I started my my business management practice, my accounting firm, it was really hard because I had a fork in the road. Did I want to follow the money, or do I want to follow my core values? My core values was to help people that look like me, help people that grew up like me, and things like that. And so when I had a choice, do I want to work with like corporate people, or do I want to work with like my people? And I took the route to work with my people, and it ended up paying off more than I expected in the long run. But again, I was faced with that choice, and I don't want anybody to make that wrong turn.